The desert is a harsh and unforgiving environment, where survival is a constant challenge. Temperatures soar during the day, reaching unbearable highs, and plummet at night, bringing a biting cold. Water is scarce, making every drop precious. Yet life endures in this seemingly inhospitable place. Among the sand dunes and rocky plains, a remarkable creature thrives: the camel. This animal has evolved to master the desert's extremes. Known as the ship of the desert, the camel is a testament to nature's ingenuity and resilience. Its unique adaptations allow it to navigate and survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. It is perfectly adapted to survive and even flourish in this extreme habitat. From its humps that store fat to its long eyelashes that protect against sand, every feature serves a purpose. Camels have served humanity for millennia, becoming an integral part of desert cultures and economies. They are more than just animals, they are partners in survival, providing essential resources and companionship. Camels provide transport across vast distances, carrying goods and people through the desert's vast expanses, making trade and communication possible. They are a source of sustenance, offering milk, meat, and even hydration in the form of their milk, which is rich in nutrients. Their dung is used as fuel, providing a vital energy source in a land where wood is scarce. Their wool and hides are transformed into clothing, offering warmth and protection against the elements. They also provide shelter and tools, making them indispensable to the people who live in the desert. This essay delves into the fascinating world of camels, exploring their unique adaptations and their crucial role in desert life. We will explore their remarkable adaptations for desert survival, from their specialized feet to their ability to go without water for days. We will uncover the economic significance of these animals, highlighting their role in local and global economies. From the nomadic tribes who rely on camels for their livelihood to the global trade in camel products, these animals play a vital role in connecting communities and economies. Join us on a journey to discover the hidden secrets of camels, from their incredible survival strategies to their impact on global trade. The camel's story is one of adaptation, resilience, and enduring partnership with humans. Camels possess a suite of remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in the harsh desert environment. These adaptations are not just physical but also behavioral, enabling them to survive where few other animals can. Their most recognizable feature, the hump or humps, is a key to their survival. These humps are not just for show, they play a crucial role in the camel's ability to endure long periods without food. Contrary to popular belief, camel humps store fat, not water. This fat can be metabolized into energy and water when resources are scarce, making it a vital adaptation for desert life. This fat serves as a reserve energy source, vital during times of food scarcity. Camels can go for weeks without food, relying on the fat stored in their humps to sustain them. Camels are masters of water conservation. They have evolved to survive in some of the driest places on Earth, where water is a rare and precious resource. They can endure long periods without drinking, losing up to 30% of their body weight. This ability to withstand dehydration is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. When water is available, they can consume vast quantities, up to 100 liters in a single session. This allows them to rehydrate quickly and store water for future use. Their kidneys are highly efficient, producing concentrated urine to minimize water loss. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in arid environments. Their thick coats provide insulation against both the scorching heat of the day and the freezing temperatures of the night. This dual-purpose fur is essential for their comfort and survival. The wide feet of a camel act as natural snowshoes, preventing them from sinking into the soft desert sand. This makes it easier for them to travel long distances in search of food and water. Their long eyelashes and closable nostrils protect them from blowing sand. These features are essential for their survival in the windy, sandy conditions of the desert. Camels are remarkably resilient, enduring extreme temperatures and harsh conditions that would defeat most other creatures. Their unique adaptations make them true survivors of the desert.
Camels are essential to the economies of many desert regions. They are a source of food, providing both meat and milk. Camel milk is highly nutritious, richer in vitamins and minerals than cow's milk. It is often the primary source of sustenance for nomadic communities. Camel hides are used to produce leather, a durable and versatile material. Camel wool is prized for its warmth and softness, woven into carpets, blankets, and clothing. Even camel dung is valuable, used as fuel or fertilizer. The economic importance of camels extends beyond their direct products. They are vital for transportation, enabling trade and communication across vast desert regions. Camels are used to transport goods ranging from spices and textiles to electronics and construction materials. They play a crucial role in the tourism industry, offering rides and treks for visitors seeking an authentic desert experience.
The history of camels and humans is deeply intertwined, stretching back thousands of years. Evidence suggests that camels were domesticated in the Arabian Peninsula over 5,000 years ago. This early domestication was a significant milestone in human history. This domestication marked a turning point, enabling the exploration and settlement of arid lands that were previously inhospitable. Camels provided a reliable means of transport and a source of food and materials. The dromedary camel, with its single hump, is primarily found in North Africa, the Middle East, and Australia. These regions have relied on dromedaries for centuries. The Bactrian camel, with its two humps, is native to Central Asia. It is well suited to the harsh, cold environments of the region. These two species have adapted to slightly different environments, but both share the remarkable resilience that makes them so valuable. Their ability to survive in extreme conditions has made them indispensable to the people who live in these regions. The domestication of camels facilitated the creation of extensive trade routes, such as the Silk Road, which connected east and west. This network of trade routes was crucial for the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. Camels carried silk, spices, and other precious goods across continents, shaping economies and cultures along the way. Their role in trade cannot be overstated. The impact of camel domestication on human civilization is profound, enabling the development of societies and empires in some of the world's harshest environments. Without camels, many of these civilizations might not have thrived. Section 5. From Desert to Table Camel Products. Camel products are gaining recognition worldwide. Camel milk is increasingly popular, marketed as a healthy and ethical alternative to cow's milk. It is naturally low in lactose and high in nutrients, making it suitable for people with lactose intolerance or those seeking a nutrient-rich beverage. Camel meat is a staple in many cultures, prized for its flavor and nutritional value. It is leaner than beef and a good source of protein and iron. Camel meat is becoming increasingly available in supermarkets and restaurants, particularly in regions with significant camel populations. The leather industry utilizes camel hides to produce high-quality leather goods. Camel leather is known for its durability, suppleness, and unique grain pattern. It is used to manufacture a wide range of products, including shoes, belts, bags, and jackets.
Section 6. Sunshine and Showers, Tropical Treasures. While camels thrive in arid deserts, other agricultural marvels grace the tropics. Lush rainforests and fertile soils give rise to a bounty of fruits, vegetables, and spices. Among these tropical treasures, bananas and pineapples stand out as global favorites. Bananas, with their convenient packaging and sweet flavor, are enjoyed worldwide. They are a staple food in many tropical regions, providing essential nutrients and calories. Pineapples, with their juicy flesh and tangy sweetness, are equally popular. They are enjoyed fresh, juiced, or canned, adding a burst of flavor to countless dishes and beverages. Section 7. A Tale of Two Fruits, Bananas and Pineapples. The journey of bananas and pineapples from plantation to plate is a testament to human ingenuity. Bananas grow in clusters on large herbaceous plants. Once the fruit matures, the entire bunch is harvested.
Pineapples, on the other hand, grow on the ground, each plant producing a single fruit. After harvesting, both bananas and pineapples undergo careful processing. Bananas are washed, graded, and packaged. They are often transported unripe and then ripened artificially to ensure they reach consumers at their peak of flavor.
Pineapples are washed, peeled, cored, and sliced. They are canned, juiced, or packaged fresh, depending on their destination and intended use.
Section 8. Sustainability, the future of farming. Sustainability is paramount in both camel farming and tropical agriculture. Climate change, land degradation, and water scarcity pose challenges to farmers worldwide. Sustainable practices are essential to ensure the long-term viability of these industries and the well-being of the communities that depend on them. Sustainable camel farming involves practices such as rotational grazing, water conservation, and animal health care. Providing shade and access to clean water is crucial for the welfare of camels, particularly in hot climates. Tropical agriculture faces challenges such as deforestation, pesticide use, and water pollution. Sustainable practices include agroforestry, organic farming, and water management techniques. Section 9. A World of Wonders Conclusion. From the camels that traverse vast deserts to the bananas and pineapples that grace our tables, the world of agriculture is full of wonders. These agricultural practices, shaped by centuries of knowledge and innovation, highlight humanity's ingenuity and resourcefulness. As we've explored, camels are more than just animals. They are partners in survival, sources of sustenance, and facilitators of trade. Bananas and pineapples, with their tropical allure, bring joy and nutrition to millions. By embracing sustainable practices, we can ensure that these agricultural treasures continue to thrive, benefiting both people and the planet for generations to come. Let us continue to explore, appreciate, and protect the diversity of life and the ingenuity of human endeavors that sustain us all.